Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Learning Library. In this quick video, we will cover the overview of Oracle Database. So, we have already seen how to install the Oracle Database or SQL developers on your system. You can watch my video from the playlist, so you will be able to download and install the Oracle SQL developer. So in this video, we will just go through the overview of Oracle or SQL developer. So you can see here, in this particular window where my cursor is, we can write a query here. Suppose select, start down, employees, I can write this query. I can select this by clicking here. I can run that query. To view that or run that query, I can use this button over here, or I can press enter if you go here. So I can press Ctrl plus enter to run that particular query. So this is my query detail. This is my output window where you can see all the output of your query. So this is in this window. You will be able to see the output of your query. Then if you want to, look for a table or procedures or indexes, VMs, etc. So you can just go to your particular database. So I'm going to this HR, expand this. Then if I want to see all the tables in my database, so I click on this plus icon. So this will expand my tables folder. So here, there are all the tables listed here, which are there in my HR database, like this. These are all the tables. So you can see the tables here also. If you expand this table, suppose I will take one example. I will expand this employees table, so I can able to see all the column details, column names from that table. If I click on that table name, so here I can see all the column names along with their data types, then is that column the label or not, etc. So I can able to see all the here. Then comments I can able to see here. Then if I click on data, so I can able to see all the retain that particular table along with column names. Then if I want to view the model of my table, so dependency, if there any foreign key or child key, chopped child table relationship is there. So I can able to see that in this model tab. Then if I want to so check all the constraints that was on my table, so I can able to click on this constraint and I can see in department there is one in the employee, but there is one foreign key, so that is on my department ID for in case there. Then there is a check constraint, also unique constraint also. If I click, then for like same, functions is there or produced is there, whatever triggers as well. So there, so, materialize views, then sequences, if you have any sequences you can go through those sequences here also. If you click on this you will be able to go through those sequences like, created it last video and then etc. Those are those informations you will be able to go to here, so we will cover this later. What are sequence triggers, packages, indexes, and also this is just for the overview, don't get confused. So likewise I can see here, and this is my query reader. If I want to open a new worksheet to write a query, then I can simply right click on my database and I can click on open SQL worksheet. Then here new SQL worksheet will be open and I can write a query. Select, this is that from, so this is how I am able to run the query in my SQL worksheet. So this is the quick overview. So you will be a file add view, you can go through this, you will have an idea on this.